Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your financial health with Mint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Mint app or visit the Mint website. If you don't have an account, click on sign up and follow the prompts to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll see your financial dashboard. To add accounts, click on add accounts at the top. Select your bank or financial institution from the list. Enter your login details for your bank to link your accounts securely. After successfully linking your accounts, Mint will import your financial data. Next, click on Transactions to review your spending patterns. Analyze your transactions by category to identify areas where you can cut back. Go to Budgets to create a monthly budget based on your spending habits. Set limits for each category to help you stay on track. Use the Goals feature to set specific financial goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Enter your goal details and the amount you want to save. Mint will track your progress and provide reminders. Utilize the Credit Score feature to monitor your credit health. Check your score regularly and understand factors affecting it. Lastly, review your financial snapshot regularly for an overview of your financial status. Adjust your budgets and goals as needed to keep your financial health in check. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.